Let me also show you how you can modify the small talk. So you go to the default package and you just duplicate it, and I will call it custom small talk, and let's add that. And you notice that in the custom small talk you have a few more options. You can, for example, edit the phrase. You can say, instead of hi, you can say hi there, and you can add a new phrase, right? And you can say the same thing, right? You have emojis, so you can just add it. Okay, so you can see that these two are similar whether the user said hi or hi there, and save it. You also have the option to add additional responses, and I think that it's going to choose one of them. It probably won't choose both. Just to test it, let's quickly go here and restart and just say hi, and it says hello there. It's only using one of them. And let me just check what happens if I say hi again. Well, it's not going for the other response for some reason, but I think that it's randomly selected. Maybe it's possible that okay. So the interesting thing is that even though the delete, there is an icon which makes it look like it's possible to delete this phrase, I don't see a way to actually, I mean, it's not responding to my mouse click. So I think that this is just a bug and maybe something which needs to be reported to the Zoho folks. In any case, you can see that this is how you do the edits for the small talk, and I'm not personally that keen on modifying that, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this custom small talk that we created. But I just showed you what you can do, like how you can make modifications to the small talk default package.